been showing you a lot of functionality around diving into audiences, collections of subreddits that are related to one another. Right now, I'm going to show you what it's like to dive into a single subreddit to figure out a lot more details about it. So we have this audience for DALL-E, which is this new AI technology. OpenAI is the company that makes it. So let's look at this this community right here. So you can see we have a couple of some information here about the kinds of conversations that are happening in these communities. I show you some information here based off how it relates to all other communities that GummySearch tracks. We have some basic functionality here to figure out what kinds of topics people in this community are discussing. This is just a MVP. It's going to get a lot better pretty soon. You can see there's a lot of people that are discussing DALL-E, DALL-E 2. If you want to see the kinds of conversations that are happening for each one of these keywords, you can browse in here. Additionally, if the community uses Flare, then you can see the breakdown here. In posts, you can see the top posts in this community for the past month and search individual keywords. We also have some stats about this community, its growth, and the percentile compared to other communities on subreddit. Lastly, the people tab is where you can see the top contributors to the subreddit. Here's a little bit about each one of them. You can look at their post and comment contributions, sort by, let's say, comment karma, and then figure out who it is that is adding to this community.